Hi everyone. In our last two videos, we have covered two topics. First is about what are the major Java-based JSON libraries available like Jakson, JSON, org.json and org.json simple. Along with that, we also learned their applicability, means in which scenario which JSON library can be used efficiently. If you have not seen that video, then I would recommend to watch the part 1 video and come back. In the second video, we also learned about the features of the JSON and what data types a JSON can hold, and JSON data can be in the form of object and array. Now, in this video, I will be introducing the Jakson library. The first point is whenever you want to perform serialization and deserialization, then think about Jakson library because Jakson is de facto standard to do conversion between Java object and JSON. The reason for that is it is very fast and it produces very neat and clean results. In coming videos, we will see how to do serialization and deserialization in details. If you don't know about serialization and deserialization, then let's discuss about them briefly here. Serialization is the process of converting Java objects into a stream of bytes so that they can be transferred over network and persisted. The reverse process of serialization is called deserialization. As you can see in the diagram, the given JSON data is getting converted into Java object, which is called deserialization. Jakson provides a rich API to perform this operation, which we will see in our coming videos. Now coming back to the topic, the second point to know about the Jakson library is its core features. As you can see on the screen, I have mentioned 4 points. These 4 points are the backbone of the Jakson library. It means if you want to master the Jakson library, these are the topics you must know. Okay, the first feature is data binding. In a very simple terms, the data binding means automatic conversion between Java objects and JSON using the object mapper class. So the Jakson library provides a very important class called object mapper, which converts Java objects to JSON and vice versa. This object mapper class is also known as the brain of the Jakson library. In my upcoming videos, I will cover this object mapper class separately in more detail. The second feature is called tree model. The main purpose of the tree model concept is to provide an API by which JSON data can be parsed using the JSON node class. The main benefit of using the JSON node class is that you don't need to create a respected Java class. Means from the given JSON data, you can directly manipulate and traverse the JSON data in a tree-like structure using this JSON node class. It removes the extra burden of creating a respected Java class. The third point is streaming API. The streaming APIs are used to read and write JSON data from the huge files or streams efficiently. It parses the content token by token. As of now, just keep in mind that these streaming APIs are used to read and write data in the files or streams. The next and final feature of the Jakson API is its annotations. It has very rich set of annotations which are used in customizing the serialization and deserialization process. Also, it has few annotations which helps in customizing the mapping of data between JSON and Java objects. If these points feels overwhelming to you, then don't worry, we are gonna have a dedicated tutorial videos on each features. For now, I will see you in the next video in which we will be writing our very first code on serialization and deserialization using the Jakson library. If you find this video helpful, then please like the video and subscribe the channel. See you in the next video.